one. Oh, alright. I would love your broccoli cheddar soup. Oh my god! She's here! The chosen one! The faith that finally came! No one ever buys our soup! It will be my honor to serve you broccoli cheddar soup, dear lady! Man, we only serve chicken noodle soup today. Tuesdays, broccoli cheddar day.
I'm so sorry. We've let you down. I'm chosen one.
And see you in the next life, dear friend. See you in the next life, dear friend. Wait, why is it burning? I don't know. Do we forget to plug the soup in? Oh, we haven't had it plugged in years. We just totally basic like that. Oh, it's just been sitting there, huh? Yeah, weird. Okay, thanks. I'll just get a salad. Sure. What type of bread?